This is a little technique that I have for salvaging these type of pool nets. This is what I use exclusively. Just over the years, the aluminum frame ones always bend, and once they're bent, they're pretty much shot. But what happens with this particular type is that the net wears out here. You get these kind of holes. I've actually sewed this one up. This one's about ready to go. But what happens is that sometimes these handles can break. And you notice here that I have screws, and what's happened is I've taken drill and drilled out this rivet from a net that was shot, like the fabric of the netting was gone. So I drill out this rivet and I pull out this insert, and for this style, you notice that these look different, but this insert is virtually the same. And I use these stainless steel screws that come on the top of a pool brush. So basically just drill out this rivet, pull this out, and you can stick it in here and just screw it in, and it works just fine. So if you wear a net out, like like the holes and whatever, just keep this thing, drill this out and keep it, put it in your shed or wherever you keep stuff. So if this ever breaks on another one, then you can stick it in. You don't have to go buy a new one. They're only like 15 bucks, but if it's the only one you have and you happen to have a spare insert, stick it in here, use some stainless steel screws from a discarded brush, and you're back in business.